In today's video, I will teach you how to make a heart-shaped photo collage in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a heart-shaped photo collage in GIMP is a delightful way to combine multiple images into a unified and meaningful composition. Let's go through the steps together. First, launch GIMP and create a new image. To do this, go to File, then New, or simply press Ctrl-N. Then set the width and height to 3000 pixels each. Then choose Transparency for the Fill With option. Then click OK to create the new image. Display the grid to assist in aligning shapes for the heart. To do this, go to View, then Show Grid. Then configure the grid by navigating to Image, then Configure Grid. Then adjust the color, spacing, and offsets as desired. Enable snapping to grid for precise alignment by going to View, then Snap to Grid. Now, open the heart-shaped image that will serve as a guide for creating the collage. To do this, go to File, then Open as Layer. Then select your heart image and click Open. Then resize and align the heart image using the Scale tool and the Move tool. Now, use the Rectangle Select tool to draw a rectangle over a portion of the heart shape. Then click and drag your mouse to create the selection. Next, create a new layer to contain the rectangle shape. To do this, go to Layer, then New Layer, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N, then name the layer, and choose Transparency as the fill type. Then click OK to create the new layer. Ensure that the background color is set to white. To do this, simply press the D key to reset the foreground and the background color. Now go to Edit, then select Fill with Background Color to fill the selection with white. Then shrink the selection to create a smaller rectangle within the heart shape. To do this, go to Select, then Shrink, and set the desired shrink value. Then click OK to apply the shrinkage. Now, choose a cyan color to fill the shrunken selection. To do this, click the background color box and select a cyan shade. Then go to Edit, then select Fill with Background Color to fill the selection with cyan. Then repeat the same steps to create multiple rectangle layers, positioning them within the heart shape to form a collage. Then stack the images above the rectangle layers to insert them into the collage. To do this, select a rectangle layer, then go to File, then Open as Layers, or simply press Ctrl-Alt-O to import the image. Then resize and reposition the image by using the Scale and Move tool. Now we're going to create layer masks to clip the images to the shape of the rectangles. To do this, toggle the visibility of the images layer by clicking the eye icon. Then use the Select by Color tool, or simply go to Tools, Selection Tools, then by Color Select to select the inner rectangle layer. Then click on the images layer and toggle the visibility of the images layer again. Then go to Layer, then Add Layer Mask, and choose Selection and the Add Layer Mask dialog. Then repeat these steps for each image to insert and mask all other images into the collage. And once you're satisfied, you can save your project file in GIMP's native file format XCF by going to File, then Save. Additionally, you can export your image in a widely used format like JPEG or PNG by going to File, then Export. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.